In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Recruit for beginners. Zoho Recruit is a great choice if you're looking for a free recruiting software solution that's efficient and user-friendly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to navigate the platform and perform key functions. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to the Zoho website. Open up your preferred browser and type in the URL for Zoho. It's a comprehensive cloud software suite designed for businesses, so you'll find all the tools you need for tasks like recruiting, project management, and CRM, amongst others. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The interface is designed to be intuitive, making navigation a breeze. Now, locate the Sign In button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to proceed. If you don't already have an account with Zoho, you'll have the opportunity to create one here. Signing up is straightforward. You'll just need to input a few basic details and set up a secure password. For those of you already registered with Zoho, simply enter your login credentials. Remember to choose a strong and memorable password to keep your account secure. Once you're logged into Zoho, the next step is to head over to Zoho Home. This is essentially your dashboard or control center for accessing different Zoho applications. From here, you'll want to navigate to Zoho Recruit. You might find it directly listed on your dashboard if you've used it before, or you may need to browse through the available applications. Simply select Zoho Recruit to launch the tool. After opening Zoho Recruit, it's time to set up your account. This usually involves tailoring the settings to meet your specific recruitment needs. Take the opportunity to explore the features offered, such as customizing your applicant tracking process, setting up job listings, and managing your candidate database. Make sure to also configure any notifications or alerts so that you stay updated on any changes or updates. That's all there is to it. Once your account is set up, you'll be well on your way to leveraging Zoho Recruit to streamline your hiring process. Remember, the key to mastering this tool is active exploration and consistent use. The more you engage with its various features, the more comfortable and proficient you'll become in using it for your recruitment tasks. I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started with Zoho Recruit. Feel free to refer back to this tutorial as often as needed, and don't hesitate to explore the additional resources Zoho provides for more in-depth guidance. Thank you for watching, and happy recruiting!